Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Bereal. Bereal is a French social media app. It is the simplest photo sharing app to share your real life photos with friends every day. To sign up for Bereal, you will firstly need to download the application on your mobile device. After the app has been downloaded and installed in your device, you can tap open the application. From here, you can see an interface similar to this. Now tap on continue. Now you'll need to enter in your name and then hit continue. Next, type in your date of birth, then hit continue. You will also need to provide your phone number. Use your country code and type in your phone number. Now a code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to enter the code to be able to sign up. After you type in the code, now you'll need to create a username for yourself. And just like that, you have been signed up for Bereal. Now you'll be able to take pictures and upload it to the app. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and we'll be soon back with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.